Malaya wants to
Okay,
try.
I'm working on Saturday. I have to work. No matter I have power or not.
Malaya wants to try this chocolate.
I'm gonna go to work now.
Chocolate. Come, Malaya, you like this chocolate? You like to try this chocolate? Okay, okay. Tanawo na to. Come here. Come here. Come this way. I will give you chocolate.
Hey, don't shout, please.
Come. Chocolate.
You can shout there.
It's
but
in the
not
shell.
my room, okay, Malaya?
This is chocolate.
It's a toy.
No. This is chocolate. Mmm, so tasty. Come, bite.